Assalamu alaikum. Myself Majid Ali. I am here to present a topic of presentation that is SA 8000 and labor union. Today I am here to discuss firstly SA 8000. Basically SA 8000 is stand for Social Accountability 8000. Labor union is not its part, but we can define it as its reference. First of all, for fostering ethical workplace practice. This explores the critical intersection of SA 8000, a leading social accountability standard, and the vital role of labor unions in creating fair and ethical workplaces. Will how into how SA 8000 principles directly support and enhance the capabilities of labor union, fostering a collaborative environment for worker protection and empowerment. Second thing is the global standard for social accountability. Social accountability 8000 is an international certification standards that helps organizations to demonstrate their commitment to fair treatment of workers. Developed by Social Accountability International, it covers critical areas such as child labor, forced labor, health and safety, freedom of association, discrimination, disciplinary practice, working hours, etc. Adherence to SA 8000 signifies a commitment to ethical labor practice across the supply chain, promoting transparency and accountability. Core principle of SA 8000: protecting workers' rights. No child forced labor, mm, health and safety, freedom of association, fair remuneration. SA 8000 Clause 4: freedom of association and collective bargaining, the union link. Class 4 of SA 8000 is practically crucial as it directly addresses freedom of association and the rights of collective bargaining. This clause mandates that companies respect the right of all personnel to form, join, and organize trade unions of their choice and to bargain collectively. It prohibits discrimination against union members or representatives and ensures that workers represent have access to their members in the workplace. This clause forms cornerstone of the relationship between SA 8000 and labor union, providing a framework of legitimate worker representation. The mandate for worker was how SA 8000 empowered labor unions. Basically, SA 8000 is a strength the position of labor unions. That is the core objectives. The role of union in workplace dialogue, negotiation of terms and conditions. Basically, this calibration is a guarantees right, promotes dialogue, strength, advocacy. Basically, in this, no force or compulsory labor. बेनिफिट्स फॉर वर्कर्स, तो इनके बेनिफिट्स ये थे, फेयर पे था, ठीक है, सेफर इन्वायरमेंट है, वॉइस एंड डिग्निटी है। जो इसमें बेनिफिट्स आए हैं, इसका एक ग्राफ है कि सबसे पहले इंक्रीज लिजिटिमेसी, स्ट्रॉन्गर नेगोशिएशन, बॉर्डर रीच, इम्प्रूव कंप्लेंट्स, implementation challenge and opportunity for union engagement, overcome resistance, addressing managerial pushback and ensuring consistency, building trust. Key takeaways: building sustainable labor relations. Calibration is key. Rights are prominent. Sustainable future. Global impact. Basically, partnership between SA 8000 principle and the advocacy of labor union is essential for building a truly ethical and equitable global economy. Thank you. That's all from my sides. Uh, in